we're going to learn 3 different ways to tie a slip knot. This first method for tying a slip knot is actually my favorite, and I'm going to use a little bit shorter tail than I normally would use just so it'll fit on the video. Make sure you leave a long tail because weaving it in later is very difficult if you do not. So you'll just go ahead and wrap your yarn around with the tail end in the front, and then make a circle around the working yarn. Like I said, leave a much longer tail, but you make a circle and then pull the end through, pull it tight, and then grab the working yarn, connect it to your ball band, and pull it tight. This is how I honestly start mine. So when I'm doing this, I'll leave a much longer tail, make a circle, bring it through, tighten it up, and it's ready to go. So that's method 1, using your hook to tie your slip knot. The next way to tie a slip knot involves using your fingers. So in your non-dominant hand, so for me it's my left, hold the yarn with the tail in front, working yarn in back, just go around your index finger, and then put your hook between your finger and the yarn, bring it towards you and around to where it crosses. So you see how it just, holding it here, and I just come down and around. Now take the working yarn over, and pull through, and then tighten it just a little bit, and you've got your slip knot. Okay, so let's do that one again. Hold it here, tail end in front, and again, leave a long enough tail, insert your hook, wind it down and around so that it crosses over like a little loop, yarn over, and pull up a loop. I pull the tail end and then the other end, the working end, to get it tight. You don't want it super tight, so it should still move along your hook, but it's tight enough that you're ready to begin your project. And our final method of making a slip knot is going to be the pinch method. So you just make a circle with the tail end on top. Now I would leave a longer tail, but just for purposes so that I can fit it in my frame here, I'm going to leave a short tail. So you make it into a loop with the tail end on top. Reach inside, oops, wrong way. Reach inside here and grab the tail end and grab the working yarn and pull it tight. Now you see my short tail has kept it to where it's coming out there. But you can see that also makes a slip knot, and then you would just put it on your hook. So let's do that one again. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a longer tail. It'll go off the screen. Tail end over there. I'm going to reach inside and grab my tail, pull a working yarn, boom. So you can see you definitely need to leave a long tail. And now you can put it on your hook and tighten it up. My tail is coming out. Pull a tail end there. There we go. And now I have my slip knot and I'm ready to begin. So any of these methods, and there are more, I even did a couple of the different ones for knitting, but any of these methods will work to get you the basic slip knot, and then you're ready for your chains or your foundation stitches or however you're going to start out your project.